Hi everybody, so today we're gonna dive into the Swiftask Meeting Assistant. So we're here in the Swiftask website, we just get started. Okay, so we have all the modules here. What's interesting is that we have the Meeting Assistant just right here for you to have it very quickly. So you can either open desktop application if you already downloaded it or just reload download if you don't have the latest version. So because I already have this, I already have the desktop version, I will just open it and we have all the modules that you've seen on the website application. So we're here in the meeting assistant. We just have to click right here and start the meeting. When you start a meeting, you can choose the agent of your choice, either the agent Swiftask, which is the agent by default, or an agent that you've already created for yourself. So as far as I'm concerned, I already have my own agent to record all the meetings, which is Kiki, and I already know what is behind Kiki because when I created her, I chose myself the LLM and all the prompt. So I can choose Kiki by default. If I start the meeting, you can see here that you don't need to interfere with other application, but it can record from Google Meet, from Teams, for Zoom, or whatever the meeting assistant that you use. At the end of this recording, you can have on the left the transcription, and on the right the transcription, and on the right you also have the quick actions such as the summary, ask for the summary, ask for report, ask for a mind map, and for if you want to chat with your own agent, you can just chat just right here to the report, for example. Or you can also click just right here to ask for a summary. And now you have the summary. You can send it by mail. If the agent that you created and you chose has the skill to send an email, of course. And we can see that in another video. Thank you for watching.